Good evening. CSP 2021 or IAS 2021 preliminary examination has been rescheduled by UPSC. Now it is going to be conducted on October 10th, 2021. For all the serious aspirants who are preparing very sincerely for this particular examination, you have a good amount of time now. This particular time can be utilized very effectively for the revision of all the subjects in both paper 1 as well as paper 2. But I found some students, rather most of the students who are appearing for this examination, you may feel difficulty in one subject or the other. All the subjects have been prepared by you. You are extraordinary in all the papers. But when it comes to a particular subject, you may be feeling that you are lacking something. And here on this particular platform, we are providing an opportunity where you can learn subject wise. If you feel that you are weak in polity or economy or history, you may pick up that subject and you can start learning now from the basics. So that what will happen, your confidence levels will increase, so that you will be writing the preliminary examination with utmost confidence and you will be clearing the preliminary examination. This opportunity is being provided on this platform, and all the serious candidates who are interested in this one, please look at this. This is our site, onlineias.com or kalyanias.com. In the menu bar, you can see subject wise, meaning by clicking here, you can open a drop down and you can join for the subject wise. In the drop down, you can see All India. Please click on All India. And what are all the subjects that I am going to show you? These are of civil services standard, right? So you can see the list of all the subjects present over here. You may pick up any subject and you can join any subject of your choice. If you want to join for all the subjects, you are most welcome. But how to join? In order to join, if you want to join for Indian polity, right? Example, please click on Indian polity. You can see the details. By clicking here, enroll online, you will be taken to the next page and you are asked to give your details. After that, you can make the payment through debit card, credit card or net banking, right? So this is one way. Second method, you can use scan and pay method. Please look at the price. The price is very reasonable and the quality is very high. And all standard teachers, highly qualitative teachers have taught all the subjects. So once you join, you will be given the access procedure. Later you can start accessing the classes. Clear? And anybody who wants to join, please click on scan and pay. You will be taken to the next page. Here you have three methods. You can pick up any method you like, right? So you can pay through account transfer, or you can pay through SBI Collect, or simple method, you can scan and pay through GPay, PhonePe or Paytm. Now, if you look at this particular page, you can just scan here. You can scan this QR code and you can pay, right? And you can use this Paytm, GPay or PhonePe. You can use either you can scan through this QR, you can pay, or you can use my number. Once payment is done, you please forward your details to my WhatsApp number, and you are expected to send your details like your name, WhatsApp number, email ID. That's it. And kindly remember, this course is offered only in English medium. I repeat, this is offered only in English medium. So I suggest you all not to waste any more time, as the time is very short and October 10th is very near. Please hurry up. make use of this great opportunity and start preparing well, start revising well for the forthcoming preliminary examination. And if you have any doubts, I have shown you my WhatsApp number. You can send any message to me. And I once again suggest you all to make use of this great opportunity and get successful in the forthcoming preliminary examination. I wish you all very, very good luck. Thank you so much.